Another video on the AutoCAD, and we are going to do the diagram which I have been shown in the left side. So same we are doing again. Okay, so all the measurement are been clear in the diagram, and we'll check what are the again some maybe values may be missing, and we have to be assume, and that we have to create in this software. Okay, so first after applying the limits and units, we have to start now. So the horizontal distance that is given as 50 mm, first you have to draw that. So go for the line command, enter L, then make the ortho on first, then from the starting point take a distance of 50 mm, then enter. Okay, then escape, then zoom, enter, enter. So here is the zoom can be used for making the movement, and this is what done now. Okay, now initially you can check the dimension, it's 50, right? So after that there are two curves in the left and right side with an 40 mm diameter. So again take a line command, then enter, then from left hand drag to the upward and take a distance of 40 mm. Okay, next again drag to the right side, take a distance of 50, enter, then down, repeat the line, 50. Okay, now take the circle from the center, take a radius of 20, enter. Similarly copy the circle, you can copy, then again or you can draw one more circle here. Again select the circle, from here take the 20 mm radius. Okay, and you can trim this inside value, enter trim, double enter, then remove this one. Now we have one more circle inside the circle. Okay, so with from here it's an 5 mm distance. Okay, so before that draw a circle from the center. So this is the center, right? So from here you have to take 20 mm as the radius, enter 20, then finish. Okay, now again trim, double enter, remove this. Yeah, it's went. Enter trim, double enter. This also we don't require, and remove this. If not, again manually you can delete. You can check the dimension now. For luminaire this should be 5 mm, yes it's 5, and this should be 5 again, yes 5, and distance from here to here it is 50, yes. Now go for the circle and radius, this is 20, and repeat the dimension, and this should be 20 or 20, and diameter, if you want to know diameter, again it is possible, you can change to diameter, you can check the diameter. That's it, right? Yeah, thank you for watching.